Are you tired of ordinary, bland outdoor spaces that lack that prestigious touch? Well, fret no more. Introducing Tanzite, the ultimate stone decking and tiling solution that will elevate your home to the pinnacle of luxury and style. Tanzite stones are meticulously handcrafted by our skilled artisans, each piece uniquely infused with elegance and durability. Whether it's a stunning poolside patio or a grand entranceway, Tanzite transforms every inch of your outdoor haven into a mesmerizing masterpiece. But wait! There's more. Tanzite's non-slip surface ensures safety and peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Worried about maintenance? Fear not. Tanzite's low maintenance features keeps it looking pristine year after year. Join the ranks of the elite and experience the allure of Tanzite. But hurry! This exclusive offer won't last forever. Call now and claim your dream outdoor oasis with Tanzite Stone Decking and Tiling. Dial 1-833-478-6633. That's 1-833-478-6633. Or visit www.tanzite.com. Revitalize your life today with Tanzite, where luxury meets longevity. Order now